Hello, my name is Hervé Lebrec. I am a co-chair of the ImmunoSafety Technical Committee of the Human and Environmental Sciences Institute. And in this brief video, I would like to just attract your attention to an open access manuscript that was just recently published and that reflects some work that was done within the ITC of HESI. Our mission at the ITC is to identify and address scientific issues related to immune safety and translation to human health risk assessment. So in that context, in 2019, we organized, along with FDA, a workshop dedicated to the non-clinical safety assessment of engineered T-cell therapies. So this manuscript that I am talking about today sort of summarizes the outcome of this workshop and some key points that we think is very helpful for the field in terms of understanding how to approach this kind of assessment for this kind of therapy. A few key learnings from this workshop, but obviously the detail is in the manuscript that you can access openly, is that engineered T-cell therapies present unique non-clinical safety challenges, unlike other types of therapies, biologics or small molecules. Some main risks that are associated with these therapies arise from on-target off-tumor effects, on one hand, then cytokine release syndrome, and finally neurotoxicity, among other potential safety issues to be considered. But these are some really main ones. What we learned is that the value of animal models to inform the safety of engineered T cells can be limited, and because of that, other approaches are really needed and are being used by sponsors that develop such therapies. One thing that I would also like to emphasize that is touched upon in the manuscript is that you have the safety assessment of viral and non-viral gene delivery and editing systems that require really fit-for-purpose approaches, and that these are not always established. So this is a very active research field, if you will. So thank you for your attention. I invite you to read this manuscript that goes over these different topics, and hopefully it will help you in your studies. Thank you.